Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2021 Ram ProMaster City with 51,822 miles. This one just hits different. For real, for real. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a ladder rack, a bin package, a 5-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, keyless entry, and more. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.